Hello, everyone. Today I will show you how to fix Asana task changes not saving on PC. This is a common problem where edits to tasks don't appear or revert back, and it can disrupt your workflow. First, check your internet connection. Asana needs a stable connection to save changes in real time. Slow or unstable Internet may block updates. Step one, refresh the workspace. Reload the page or click the refresh button. This often syncs unsaved changes. Step two, log out and log in again. Session errors can prevent saving. Relogging resets your account session. Step three, clear browser cache and cookies. Corrupted cache may stop changes from being saved. Clearing cache ensures the latest data is applied. Step four, disable browser extensions. Ad blockers or privacy plugins may interfere. Temporarily turn them off and test saving tasks. Step five, try a different browser or the Asana desktop app. Some browsers handle saving operations better than others. Switching can isolate the issue. Step six, check workspace permissions. Limited edit access may prevent saving changes. Verify your role with the workspace admin. Step seven, contact Asana support if the problem persists. Provide task examples and workspace details. Support can troubleshoot account or server-side issues. So yeah, fixing task changes not saving on PC is about stable internet, refreshing workspace, relogging, clearing cache, disabling extensions, testing browsers, and checking permissions. Follow these steps and your task edits will save correctly. Thanks for watching. Do like this video, subscribe, and comment below if this helped.